Hey guys, just wanted to take a minute. I think for everything, you're going to turn work into me through Google Classroom, and some of you might not know how to attach files that way. So I'm actually in my daughter's computer system, so you can see what a student version might look like, although the assignments would be different. So let's say for a weekly grid, this is the grid I want you to turn in your work for the grid. I'll do something like week 3 grid here. You'd click on that. And then what you would do is you would attach your files that you want to give me for each class. So you just click add or create. You can attach files, links, stuff in your drive, which would include pictures and things like that to what you're turning in. And then you would, it probably won't say resubmit here, you would submit your work that way. So I would appreciate it instead of you emailing me stuff all at one time. I'd rather have it just all in the same place in your Google Drive. And if I make comments back to you, please respond back and that will count for our contacts. So thank you very much.